as Fashion Institute in Islamabad.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I hope you guys are fine. Today is our class number 6 of Advanced Fashion Designing course, and our today's topic is about the principles of fashion design. So let's discuss about our second principle of fashion designing, which is unity or harmony. Unity is a measure of how well each element of your design works together. It describes the overall design and whether its components work together in harmony to communicate a single idea. It is the harmony between all the principles of fashion. And if we talk about unity, then unity refers to the overall look of the garment. It means that how the colors, shapes or patterns work together perfectly to make a pleasant illusion in your designs. It helps to make your designs look more smoother and more professional. Lines or shapes that repeat together in a pattern will look perfect together. It means that you have created the unity or harmony in your designs. So the question arises that when we discuss about the principles of fashion designing, why the principle of unity or harmony is important. Unity or harmony concept is essential in fashion design to create the successful design in such a way that it creates the visual in the design to look more stylish and unified. Now let's discuss about how the unity or harmony is created in our design. Unity or harmony is created in a design by making the pattern using shapes or colors in the design repeatedly. Now let's see some examples on this concept. Now let's discuss about our third principle of fashion designing, which is rhythm. Before starting our rhythm principle, I would like to tell you all that the rhythm and the unity or harmony concept are related to each other. When we take a look at a rhythm principle, you can see that there are some similarities in the rhythm and in our unity principle. So let's see what is rhythm. Rhythm is created by repetition of lines, patterns, shapes or colors. And how the rhythmic effect is created in the garments? We can make the rhythmic effect in our garments by the use of gathers, plaits, buttons and cuts in our designs. Now let's see some examples on a rhythm principle. Collection of vases displayed on the shelf, raw buttons on garments, repetition of strips on fabric. The printed fabrics are the best example of the rhythmic effect in our garments. As the both concepts, unity and rhythm, both principles, both concepts are quite similar to each other, we are not going further in the detail of the rhythm principle. Now, if we summarize today's topic, we have studied the unity harmony principle in our design, the importance of unity or harmony concept, and the last topic in unity or harmony, the creation of unity or harmony in design. And lastly, we have talked about the rhythm concept, the rhythm principle, and we have seen some examples on this concept. So our video is completed now. Your work for today is to note down all the key points and to make the notes of today's topic. For any confusion or any query, you can contact us. We'll see you in next class. Thank you.